COVID-19 becoming more manageable for some. Health experts say the return to school could lead to a spike in local cases.
Chelsea Swift joins us in the control room with the very latest. Chelsea.
Jen and Sean, while health experts are predicting a slower decline in COVID cases, the public could soon have access to two new boosters, one that protects against variants and another that does not contain mRNA. The number of reported COVID cases this week averages to about 61 cases a day. However, wastewater data in Erie County suggests there are even more cases in the community. The chief medical officer at UPMC Hammett says they've seen an uptick in the number of hospitalizations over the last month. He says we could see another spike this fall.
With the kids going back to school and the decrease in the masking and mitigation requirements that we are seeing, it's certainly possible that we might see more cases.
Dr. Beard says there's a new COVID booster coming out soon that could help mitigate the spread.
They're called bivalent boosters, and they will have the newer variants that we see circulating, the BA4, BA5 variants in those boosters. And hopefully they will continue to help prevent some of the spread of the disease that we're seeing.
Dr. Nadworny says some may feel more comfortable with the Novavax COVID vaccine that does not use mRNA. He says he hopes this leads to a higher vaccination rate.
Anyone who wants to get vaccinated and doesn't want an mRNA vaccine, Novavax would be a good choice. Unlike the J&J, it doesn't increase the risk for clots, and it seems to be very well tolerated. So I think that's a very good alternative.
Dr. Nadworny says while recent strains of COVID have had a less severe impact, it's hard to know what will happen next.
We don't have a guarantee that the next strain will be as relatively mild as Omicron is. We could see another one that's similar to Delta, which caused major hospitalizations and death.
Medical experts say while recent COVID strains have been less severe, there are still chronic symptoms associated with the virus, like fatigue, shortness of breath, and brain fog.
All right, Chelsea Swift live in our control room tonight. Thank you, Chelsea.